Welcome back. In his new book, The Cults of Relativity, Finding Einstein, Twain, and a Universe Beyond E equals MC squared, Drake Larson was the first to predict a bizarre gravitational repulsion decades before dark energy was actually found. The Cults of Relativity explain how dark energy envelopes our universe. It's a theme that goes beyond dark energy as it unravels many paradoxes in both biotechnology and physics. And author Drake Larson joins us this morning to talk about his book. Okay, you lost me a while ago. Is this, I mean, it's not a textbook at all.
No,
you've got a real story
it's a popular reading book for people who are kind of science hounds.
Right.
So if somebody's gone through physics or a doctor that's gone through biotech or something like that, they'll enjoy the book.
Right, but it's not a textbook.
No, but it's good for math hounds. You need to enjoy math in you're in high school, or maybe really good junior high math nut would like it.
Okay. Dark energy.
Yeah.
As opposed to light energy? Can you explain to us novices what Einstein theorized and how where you take these theories are slightly different?
Sure. Well, basically what I do is I start by describing how Einstein discovered that time slows and E equals MC squared, and how it makes a lot of sense. What happened was a lot of these professors really bought into it, thought it was great, and thought it was an end-all cure-all. And when I was in college, I was going, you know, Einstein's theories are applicable, but there's something beyond his theories. And so I came up with basically this dark energy. It just got laughed out of the professors' offices at the time. There's a couple that really enjoyed it, but actually one got fired, and I wasn't quite sure how instrumental my crazy theories was in getting him out of UCLA. But as time goes by, the Hubble telescopes started to be able to look at the universe closer, and they started to realize there is dark energy out there, and that these theories that Einstein said, basically the disciples of Einstein said this sort of energy is impossible. Right. And I was saying, you know, I don't think this is impossible. In fact, I think it's very likely to occur. And so you had basically the popular thing was to poo-poo anybody who would suggest dark energy, and now the tables turn because they found that dark energy is out there. So if a student's entering into college, you're going to have a certain number of professors that are still hooked onto dark energy is impossible. And what this book gives you a prelude to how Einstein came up with relativity and why it might not be applicable all the time. And a great example of this is biotechnology or medicine. Medicine, you'll find pills, they seem to work great. Vioxx is a perfect example, and it's used in the first chapter.
Right.
Why would Vioxx seem to work so well, and then it's yanked from the market 5 or 10 years later, and now the appellate courts are reversing decisions, and it all comes down to statistics and how you can lie with statistics and how you can fool, you can fool other people with statistics, like Mark Twain said, there's lies, damn lies, and statistics,
right.
But you can also fool yourself with the statistics. So the first half of the book deals with medical science and how you can fool yourself with math, and then it goes on to physics, and it says, you know, even physicists can be fooled with math. You can buy into something too strongly, and you always have to keep your mind open for other opportunities.
Well, how much of Einstein's theory, though, eliminated, at least in his mind, the possibility of this dark energy, or was it his disciples who said, no, the next logical step is left, and you've gone right? It's
a little bit of both. In fact, when I start out with explaining Einstein's relativity, I talk about how he discovered how time slowed down in 1905. And at the same time, he could have quickly come up with E equals MC squared, but he had to reject the dark energy concept. And it really is an interesting paradox. It's why you can buy into, the more you find certain types of mathematics to be useful, the more you're inclined to abandon other type of mathematics that doesn't seem to be useful. And always keep that form of mathematics in the back of your mind, because it might prove to be useful at a later date. Right. And this is basically for a freshman in college or a senior in high school.
Just somebody with a general interest in this kind of thing.
Yeah.
And Einstein proved that time slowed down. Since I turned 40, I found that not to be true.
Yeah.
The book is called The Cults of Relativity. The author is Drake Larson. By the way, nice movie star name. It's available everywhere now, bookstores, online, wherever you want to go to find it. I'm sure it's way too smart for me, but you might enjoy it. The Cults of Relativity. Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Enjoyed
Gino.
your time.
Thanks.